In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to the Principle of Life series. Today's topic: honor your parents. Your parents care for you when you were helpless. Now, it's your turn to care for them. Even a small act of kindness toward them is a big reward in Allah's eyes. Never say hurtful words to them. Speak gently, survey them with love. And remember, Jannah lies under your mother's feet. Rabbul Alameen says in the Holy Quran, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. And your Lord has decreed that you not worship except Him. And to parents, good treatment, whether one or both of them reach old age while with you. Say not to them so much as oof, and do not repel them, but speak to them noble words.